If you're a Ford Explorer owner, you've got to know why your AC isn't cooling. First things first. Check your refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant is the most common issue. Pop the hood and check the gauge. If it's low, you'll need a recharge. Next, inspect the air filters. Clogged filters can block airflow, making your AC work harder. Swap them out and breathe easy. Moving on. Let's talk about the condenser. It's located in front of the radiator. Dirt and debris can clog it up. Give it a good cleaning with a hose. Another culprit, the AC compressor. If it's not engaging, you might need a professional to take a look. It's a bit tricky to handle on your own. Finally, check your fuses and relays. A blown fuse can stop your AC cold. No pun intended. Replace any blown fuses and see if that does the trick. And there you have it. With these simple checks, you'll be chilling in your Ford Explorer in no time. Stay cool and keep exploring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick car tips. Thanks for watching.